Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing a Minecraft skeleton. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off at the top and let's draw a square for the shape of the head. Now let's move in at the bottom and let's draw a line across. Then bring it up from both ends. And then close it off to form the mouth. Now on top for the nose, let's draw 2 lines up and a line across. Now from the top corners, let's draw a line up and then a line out from the bottom and the top. And then close off the eyes at the ends with a line down. And that's it for the head. Now top down and draw the body. Let's start underneath the head on both sides and let's draw a line down. Then at the bottom, let's bring it in, leaving a gap in the center. Now underneath, let's draw 2 lines down and a line across. Now top inside the body and let's add some details. At the top, let's draw 2 lines. Bring it in on both sides. Then down. And close it off at the bottom. Next, let's hop to the sides and we're going to draw a rectangle shape in on both sides. Then let's leave a gap and let's draw another rectangle underneath in the same way. And the same on the other side. And that's it for the details inside. Next, let's move down and let's draw 2 lines underneath. And then near the top, on both sides, let's draw a line down and bring it in. Then let's hop out and let's draw another bent line in the same way. And that's it for the torso. Next, let's move down underneath and let's draw a longer line across. Now let's bring it down on both ends. And a line across to form a rectangle. Next, let's hop back up and we're going to draw the arms on the sides. Let's start at the shoulder area and let's draw a line out. Now underneath both sides, let's draw a line down. And then a line across to close off the bottom of each arm. Lastly, let's hop underneath and let's draw the legs. Let's start under in the center and let's draw 2 lines down. Now let's hop out and let's draw another set of lines down. And then close them off at the bottom. And that's it for this Minecraft skeleton. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!